The big 50-foot long, 28 feet wide, 9 feet high building is being built. What the heck is that, dude? There's a lot. The 1,000-gallon is clear. So if we walk up here, I wouldn't doubt if, yeah, look at him. Look at that one. Look at that. Come on. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, whatever you may celebrate. It's holiday season. It's time to have some good energy. 2022 is going to be a big year, baby. We have so much going on. I have endless plans for this new endless plans for the new house, the new property. The big 50-foot long, 28 feet wide, 9 feet high building is being built. Well, it's actually already manufactured, it's built. And we can't put the concrete slab without the permit, so that's happening, but we're waiting on a permit. Pond will be dug around that, enclosure will be built around that, and that's kind of just like, I can't do anything on that property until that's done. So, got a bit of waiting to do, but that's gonna be epic next year. I just wanna thank every single one of you Cuffaros for watching, supporting throughout the last year, or if you've been here for a couple years, thank you so much. 2021 was an epic year for me. We grew exponentially, and I'm so excited for 2022. Can't wait. Whoa, Mama Duck. Hey, Gary, how about you be quiet when I'm talking? How about that? Oh yeah, get him, Duck. For you guys. Now that you're quiet, what I was saying was I just loaded up on all new food. Every once in a while I take a nice trip to the feed store and load up. And as you can see, everyone's got fresh food. Hi, Bubba. Sniff that? And there they go, doing their thing. Oh yeah. Walk out to the dock here. All my fish are out here. The whole dock is just covered in Muscovy poop. Oh yeah. See that? That was one of the albino tilapia we rescued from food market. That little white fish that came out. Here he is again, ready? See him down there? The little white ones? That's so cool. I literally just saw 3 of them. In one of my last videos, we were at a food market where they were going to be eaten, no water. So the plan is now, with 6 tilapia in this bag, to come around the corner and get him to survive. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. We rescued a couple of them and actually brought them back here and released them. Got the food lined up. Hey, Buttercup. You're getting so big. Oh, my boots. How's it going, little ones? So great to see you. Oh, you crushed that water, huh? Tasty little mountain of food, you little ones. They're getting big fast. Oh, he didn't kick the door. There it is. What the heck is that, dude? Oh, yeah, lots of food. Eat up, you little goat kids. You know, it's just classic coming out here, man. Every single day, it's a blessing. Owning a farm is just so much fun. It comes with a lot of responsibilities, but it is fun, I'm not gonna lie. I can't wait for PC Farm 2.0. That's what I'm excited for. Where are you going, running away from me? Both of you? It's not cool considering I just gave you fresh shavings. That looks nice and cozy. There you go, a little bit there, a little bit there. Big buddy. Big buddy, he doesn't bite anymore. He's been so much better, it's awesome. You guys just love the mud, huh? Like I give you a full thing of water and you can make it like this. Look at that nice full bit of food right there. Dry land, dry land, dry land. Hi everyone, woo! There they go, oh, hello, hi. All right, Cuffaros, we fed the farm, everything's eaten, good to go. Earlier today, I went and bought a bunch of fish for my parents' backyard, the OG backyard, and it was time to not only feed some of the fish back there, but restock a little bit. So without further ado, I'm gonna throw you on over to the fish store where we do just that. Check it. We are here at the store, about to load up on some goldfish. I think we're gonna get between 50 and 100. We want a lot. We're gonna load up my parents' pond. A lot of these are probably gonna be feeders because they are feeder goldfish, but I do have 2 Oscars in the pond, which Oscars love goldfish, so we'll see. They got the little minnow baits in here too. These little guys, except for these they're not as hardy, so they won't live as well. Check out this cart of betta fish. Looks like they just got a bunch in. Oh, and plants. Boop. That was a solid, like, I don't know, 10. Alrighty, we got a bunch of goldfish. There's a lot. I don't know exactly how many, close to 100 for sure. And there's only 15 bucks. I thought they were more money than this. Here is the pond. As you can see, it's looking good. You know, the shed pond, I call it that because there's a shed right there. See it? Right there. I'm gonna put these in, and those are our goldfish that are gonna be acclimating until I let them go. And then these Oscars, see the Oscar right there? His face is sticking out. And there's another one down there. There's the other one. Let me try not to step in poop. There's a whole lot of it. Oh yeah, nice patty burger right there. The dogs did that one. And this over here is just immaculate. Check it. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Listen, I can say it once and I'll say it again. Ain't nobody got a better backyard than this. There's no pond that looks better than this. There's just, our koi fish are sitting right here waiting for me to feed. Look at all these minnows. I mean, there's just hundreds of minnows. But like I said, our koi fish are growing. They're getting big, as you can see. I constantly have to get these leaves out of the waterfall. Now look at that flow. This tree right here. It is just so pretty. It sounds so good. And we also, don't forget, have turtles in here. Albino turtles, yellow belly turtles, Malaysian box turtles. There's a bunch of different species, but right now with the cold, I actually had to bring in my African side neck at the house. Last night it was like 47 degrees, which is as cold as Florida probably ever gets. So if we walk up here, I wouldn't doubt if, yeah, look at them. There's a Malaysian box turtle right there. There's another one in that back corner. As I walk around, look at that spot for a turtle right there. As I walk around, you'll see an albino, he's right here. He's poking his head out. There's a little yellow belly. Like, everything's just hiding, so there's probably a couple in this bush here. They're just spread out throughout the entire part right here, and they're all gated in. This is where it all began. It all started right here in this backyard, the OG backyard. Some of you watching right now are still watching to this day. Enough talking though. We have our fish right here, and I want to get these suckers in. These guys might eat some, at least right now they might not, but they will definitely will when the camera's off. Pop the bag. Saturated orange. Look at that. That's so pretty. Oscar might eat one. Look at that one. Look at that goldfish. Got the black top on his head. That thing is so pretty. Look at that all white one right there. Oh, look at that one, Tommy. That one's white and red. I want to put him in the pond. This one's too cool to put in there. I want to go put him in the pond. Cuffaro's name this guy in the comments, or girl. You, I hope to see again one day. So long, brother. I also want to get this brown one with the black back. It's kind of cool, because if these do end up thriving in here, which they should, they'll grow up and be bigger goldfish. Goodbye. And the last two goldfish, there they go. If you look from above, you can just see a lot of goldfish. You see them spread out over there, over here. They might even make some over here. Oh, there is one right there. Hey, buddy, you went under the bridge. There's one even up here, right here. Hey, I gotcha. The Oscars are doing a little bit of hunting right now, that's for sure. Once it gets dark, they're gonna come out fierce. Let's see how many are hanging out in the filter. Oh yeah, a couple of them. You can see them hanging out in there since the flow is not too hard. Anyway, that is the shed pond. We just stocked up some goldfish in it. There's 2 Oscars and a bunch of goldfish now. And in this pond over here, there is a bunch of koi fish and turtles. We are back in the fish room. I know today's just been all over the place, and I feel like a lot of my videos recently have been due to the fact that I'm currently bouncing around from 3 different houses. It has been a crazy, crazy year. To think how much we accomplished is just overwhelming. Thanks to you guys, the Cuffaros. Thank you so much for everything you do for me. I can't wait to show you what I have in store for 2022. Subscribe down below. I just wanted to end the video here in the fish room because the 1,000 gallon is clear. Finally, you can see all the fish. I did that little water change and clean the filter, and that's all it took. You can see the Oscar over there, another Oscar here, and a bunch of catfish are hiding down there. One of the hybrids is just divided right there, another one's back over there. And the fish is hide throughout here. The eel is in here somewhere. Our fire eel, it's in here. I hope everyone has a fantastic Christmas. I'm about to head over to my family's house because it's Christmas Eve. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Subscribe if you're new. Hit that like button, and I'll see you tomorrow with an hour-long video, because you fellas hit 20,000 likes in my last video. And I made a promise I'd do a best of 2021 video if you did hit 20,000. You blew me out of the water, all right? See you tomorrow with an hour-long video. Peace! Taylor on a box.